They say when you finally reach the top, the heart remembers who was with you at the bottom. For Senator Amara Blake, one of the wealthiest young politicians in Europe, that truth was impossible to escape, because long before the private jets, the speeches, the luxury, she was just Amara, a teenage girl who fell in love with a boy her father never approved of. At 16, the night her father discovered she had a boyfriend, Amara was forced onto a flight and sent abroad. No goodbye, no closure. Just tears on a window seat and a heart that never healed. 16 years later, she was unable to fall in love, so after her father's passing, Amara did something she hadn't done since that night. She pointed her private jet toward home to see that man that held the keys to her heart since high school. As she landed, she searched for him until she drove down the very same road she left as a teenager. Her heart immediately felt at home. And finally, she wasn't in the country for work. She was here for love, to reunite with Michael. Michael Mensa, 31, lived a quiet and simple life on the same farm he grew up on. He was poor, single, and content with a life most would call boring. Every morning, before the sun fully rose, he walked straight into his fields. His days never changed to tend to his crops, fix a fence, or watering the seedlings, then head home before sunset. There was no excitement, no noise, no surprises, just him, and the crazy thoughts he gets each day about ever seeing Amara again. But not knowing that today, she would return for the first time in 16 years. And what this story will teach is that sometimes life separates people so they can grow into the version of themselves they were meant to be. But true love will always remember what life tried to erase. So keep in mind that your journey may take you far, and you may lose people along the way, but the truth is simple. When something is meant for you, not even time, distance, or circumstance can break it. Stay focused. What's truly yours will always find its way home.